These 3 features will improve your Etsy workflow so that you can scale to maximum sales, especially if you're selling print-on-demand products. And all of these Kittl features will work for pretty much any kind of product you are selling. Make sure you watch until the end because the 3rd feature is what will allow you to scale your individual Etsy listings in a quick and efficient way. First up, we have the replace feature. And the reason this is so powerful is because you can quickly take a design that you plan to put on a t-shirt or mug or tote bag and instantly replace the illustration or graphic, keeping the same color, styling, and scaling so that you don't have to fight with a bunch of settings. So in this example, if I want to take my initial design here and change the middle illustration to a couple of dancing skeletons, I can click replace, and there it is. And then now I can duplicate this design and rinse and repeat. Maybe now I change it to a frog and then change it to a fairy. And I can do this over and over to have so many more designs, meaning so many more listings that are making me money. And because I already have a Kittl flow set up here, anytime I change my design, I can simply click on this regenerate button here, which is going to place my design right on my mockup that I pulled from Printful or Printify or wherever else. And if you want to learn exactly how this works, you can check Drew's recent video showing how to edit these Kittl Etsy templates and improve your thumbnails to get more sales. The second feature you should be using is called the remix tool, which uses AI to take your current selection and turn it into something unique. For example, if I can't find the right illustration I want in the library, I can simply select my artwork and use the remix tool to prompt in what I want. So I can prompt the AI to turn this illustration into a single line of frogs line dancing in the same style. And I'll select a model like Nano Banana 2. And in a few seconds, I've got a unique design. Just like the replace feature, I can do this over and over again, creating more design variations for my products. This also applies to text, because I can use the remix tool with our prompt presets to create incredible effects and mockups for my designs. You can even remix images together to apply an effect or style from image to another, which will help you create even more unique graphics. And if you want to learn more about the remix tool, Graham did an entire tutorial you can watch on our channel, which I linked down in the description. The 3rd and final Kittl feature is our ready-made Etsy templates that allow you to pop in your product images or designs and create various images for your listing, as well as mock-up videos using AI models like Kling and Veo. It's super easy to drop in your new Etsy product photo, and using the quick regenerate feature, populate new photos and videos. Then you can use the info cards area to update your product details, export, and upload straight to Etsy. All of the Etsy listing templates are linked down in the description, so you can get started right away. And we also have a limited time promotion running, so be sure to check out the description and redeem the current coupon code. But even if you miss it, we'll have another one in the future, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss updates or videos just like this one. Down in the comments, you can let us know what else you want to see in Kittl that will help you take your Etsy shop further, as well as any questions you have about these features. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.